Hi, this is Nick here at Prescott True Value, and we are an amazing place for birds and for, of course, the avid bird lover in this city. We have a great selection of bird food, feeders for all types of birds. Some of the best ones are the hummingbirds, and they're some of my personal favorites, but some of our selection includes some really unique and awesome designs. And if you notice that this guy is red in color, it prevents the use of the red food dye, which a lot of people don't like to feed their birds because of dangers. And as you can see, we have a lot of very interesting designs, not just one or two, but a bunch. So come on down to True Value and see myself or any of our knowledgeable associates.